Hello traders, it's your one and only skill coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this. Today in this video, I'm going to motivate you, but not just mere motivation, but I'm going to motivate you based on proofs you will see for yourself. And at the end of this video, I want you to ask yourself, what could be holding me back from taking a bold step to make financial progress this year, 2026. We all know in the past, forex used to be all about you must know what you're doing, trade by yourself. You must learn how to deal with your emotions when it comes to psychological trading. You must learn how to analyze the market and so on and so forth. And so many times you could analyze the market perfectly, predict where to buy or sell from. But at the end of the day, you find out that when price gets to your zone, fear grips in. And at the end of the day, you either see yourself not take the trade, or you took the trade and jumped out in fear, maybe in loss or in little profits. But now we must understand that the world is getting more digital. Today we have what we call AI, robots, and so on and so forth. So this brings me to what we call the BB Gold miner. A whole lot of you who probably have been following me for a long time have seen me post about BB Gold miner up to the past 5 to 6 months now. And that if I have been so consistent about this BB gold miner, you need to understand it simply means that this gold miner is working. This EA is working. This AI is working. This robot is working, whatever you want to call it. But I want you to understand that it's working. And I'm going to show you live proof. Okay. Now, this is a Naira account, which you can see currently on my screen. And as you can see here is 119,656. Now you would ask, how much did I actually deposit to start trading on this account? I'm going to show you. And I'll go straight to week because I just began this new account this week. Now on the week, you can see if I scroll up, you can see on the top where it says balance. How much is there? 35,800 Naira. That was how much I used to start this account. And if you look all the way down, what do you see? You keep seeing profit of 44,000 Naira, 44,000 Naira, 44,000 Naira. You keep seeing profits, right? And on the other hand here, we could see 494 Naira. That means price was a bit slow that day, something like that. And when you look down, you see 140,000 Naira in red digits. What does that tell you? That means it was a withdrawal. And I'm going to show you what I did. I withdrew 140,000 Naira because I had already made a lot of profits. Okay. And if you see the date was on the 26th. That was yesterday. Today is what? 27th. And as you can see today, 27th, you can see another profit of 43,000 Naira, 649. And you can see the date 27th. That's why you actually have 119,000 Naira here. But now you would ask me, what did I do with the 140,000 Naira? Because if you look in my total profits, you can see profit of 223,855. So this is what I did. If you come over here, you would see I named this one Naira Trading. Okay. And then I have another one here called my Naira Savings. So this particular Naira Savings, it's not connected to my robot. That means I'm not trading on it. If you can see here, there's no running trade. And this is where the 140,000 Naira is kept. I just kept it here because I don't want to trade with it. I just want to keep saving it there. Okay, so if I go to weekly here, you would see when I deposited that was yesterday, 26th. I deposited the 140,000 and I kept it here. Now, why did I do that? Because I just want to keep saving it there. I don't want to trade with that particular money. So this particular account is the one doing the trading. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go straight to my Exness account and I'm going to move some amount of money from this particular account to my savings account again. The reason why I'm doing this, I'm currently test running how this robot trades with even little amount of money in the account. That's why I actually decided to start with as little as 30 something thousand naira to see if it's actually going to increase it or decrease it. But before I take you to my Exness account to show you how I usually move money from one account to the other, because I want you to also learn it so that you can know that you can actually have multiple accounts in your Exness account. And if you don't have an Exness account, do not worry. On the description of this video, the very first link there, click on it and it's going to take you straight to Exness. You can create a free Exness account. Get your account verified, because you don't want to have an unverified account, because when you want to make withdrawal you will have issues. So I always advise all my traders, the moment you create your account, get it verified with whatever ID you have, driver's license or whatever it is. Verify your account and you can always withdraw anytime, any day. And the beautiful thing about Exness is you can create a local currency depending on where you are. Maybe you're in Ghana, you can create a cedis account. If you're in Nigeria, you can create a Naira account. And you can also create a USD account. That's not all. One beautiful thing about Exness is that you can create what we call a USC account, which means United States Cent account. Now, that Cent account is my top recommended account that I usually recommend for anyone who's coming to join the BB Gold Miner with as little as $30. Because some people actually don't have a lot of money to start up, but they want to start, they want to join this move. So I usually recommend them to have a Cent account. And let me show you what a Cent account looks like. If we go over to some other accounts that I have connected, as you can see, I have so many accounts. And if you see, most of the accounts I have here, Team Legend 1, Team Legend 2, that's because I have so many of my accounts all connected to my robots. But every of my other clients' accounts, I have them all connected on my tab, because I just can't log in everybody's account on my phone, okay? But I have a few people whom the accounts are connected on my phone, of which I would show you. So here, if we click on Vibes, you would see here we have 5,985 USC, United States cents. And today she also made profits. The same profit you saw me make on my Naira account of 43,000 something Naira, that's the same profit she made here on her USC account, because everybody connected to BB Gold Miner makes money at the same time. Once one account makes profit, if you are connected to this robot, automatically if you are connected to this robot, automatically you also make profits. That's how it works. I'm still going to show you. The same way she made profits, I'm going to show you another person's account. This is another person's account. And if you look here, this person also made profit at the same time. Let me show you one more person. And here is another account. And also, if you look, this person also made profit today on the 27th of March. So what am I trying to tell you? I'm trying to help you understand that if you get connected to BB Gold Miner, you make profit anytime I make profit or anytime anybody makes profit in the markets. I hope you're understanding. Now, let me take you straight to my Exness account and show you how I move money from one account to the other. Remember, I want to move money from my Naira trading to my Naira savings account. That reminds me, before I do that, let me show you one of my main USC accounts and so you could see the progress. This is one of my USC accounts. It's currently 11,000 USC. And you could be wondering, how much is that in USD? That's about $100 and something. Okay, that's this one. And over here is 27,645 USC. How much is that? That's about $200 and something. Okay, These are all connected to BB Gold Miner. If you look here, you would see the signature there, BB Gold MV3. When you see V3, it means version 3. I just upgraded every single person from the version 2 to version 3. I just want to take you through that you may see for yourself that all these things are live and it's happening, and they are all real accounts. It's not a demo. Okay, so let's go to my Exness account. Let me show you how I move money. And after showing you that, I also want to show you something from FX Book, which will also help you see that this is true and is original. So right here on my Exness account, I want to move money from my Naira trading. So in order to move money from one account to the other, I'm going to click on More and click on Transfer Funds. Slide down, click on Between Accounts. I'm transferring funds between accounts. One beautiful thing about Exness is that you can actually send money to somebody else who also has an Exness account, but the person must be located in the same country as you, okay? So between accounts, I just want to move money to my savings account, and then I want to move 80,000 Naira. So I wanted to see this, that it is Naira, so you don't think it's some kind of fake digits, okay? So continue, confirm. Now, if we go back to MT4, you can see the money has reduced. Go to history, you can see the reduction, 80,000 Naira. Now, when I go to my savings account, you would see the 140 has increased to 220,000 Naira. And if you go to the history, you can see the funds there. Click on weekly and you see the two transactions made so far. 140,000 was moved yesterday, and just today 80,000 Naira moved again. And this is my intention. I just want to keep loading money here till when I think I want to make withdrawal, I can decide to withdraw. Okay, so now let me take you to FX Book. I believe a whole lot of you know FX Book, right? So it's a platform you know you can trust. Agree. So FX Book is a platform you can always use to check out the market news, what's happening in the market, what's about to happen, and so on. But so many other things happen in the FX Book. In the FX Book, you can connect your MT4 or MT5 account so that it can show people, so you can use it to show people all the activities that has been happening in your trading account. In this way, people can see for themselves live and direct, because FX Book hides nothing. So I have two accounts connected here. I have the BB Gold 1 and 2. So let me just open this first one. Now you can see this first one, I began the journey of this particular account in November 2026, in November 2025, okay? And then you can see the growth, how far it has been growing. It has been a massive growth, like it's been massive. If we scroll down, you can see all you can see all that's been happening in this particular account, all right? You can see all that's been happening. If we click on trades, order, history. So under history here, you can see all the trades that this particular account has been taking for a long time. All right, if you click on it, it's going to show you the dates and everything that's been happening. You can see the comments below, BB Gold Miner version 3, to show you that it's the robot that has been trading these things. Okay, if I click on this one, you can see BB Gold Miner. So if we scroll down, you can see the profits it's been making so far. You can see the times of losses. You can also see everything is plain, nothing is hidden when you use the FX Book, my FX Book. Okay, so I can't hide anything from you guys here. You can see it for yourself. You can see the digits. Now let's go straight to the second BB Gold Miner I have here. This particular account, I probably opened it at December 2025. Okay, and the growth has been progressful. Okay, you can also see all that's been happening here. It's just so awesome. If we click on history, you can see all the trades has been taken. All the trades has been taken. all the losses, all the profits. You can see it for yourself. Now, I have a question for you. Now that you've seen all these things, do you still think that this is not something worth investing in? Do you still think it's not real? Or do you think it's something to try? I would advise that you try it out. Test us and see what the BB Gold Miner can do. Irrespective of that fact, I always will stand on my ground to tell you nothing else but the truth. You cannot predict future results with past results. So if you are getting into this market, always remember that forex is an investment and is a risky investment in the sense that you can make profits or you can also make loss. So you must always understand that. Do not come into the market with all the intention of I'm gonna get rich, and do not trade with money that is meant for important things such as paying your rent, your house rent money, or your school fees, or whatever it is. Don't do that. Trade with money you know you can afford to lose. And I know that's one thing so many people don't like to hear. How do you mean money I can afford to lose? But one thing you must understand, if you must make profit in the market, you must be ready to also make losses. But based on the result you have seen for yourself, you can also use this to assure yourself that if I join this community, I will also make profits. Okay? So I want you to take the doubts off your heart and join BB Gold Miner. As we are stepping into April, I need you to know the slots are open. The same way I did it in February and I did it also in March, I'm going to do it in April. 10 people have the opportunity to join BB Gold Miner without paying first. This is how it works. On a norms, you pay your service fee of $20 in order to join. I'm giving you the opportunity to join without paying that service fee from the start. So you have the opportunity to join BB Gold Miner and let's trade for you, while at the end of the month, you can now pay your service fee. And once you pay that service fee, you automatically have 2 months before you pay another service fee. So that means every 2 months you pay instead of paying every month. That's awesome. And no platform would do this for you. So you want to take this opportunity. Hit the subscribe button if you're watching this video for the first time on my channel. Leave a comment if you have any question. Don't hesitate to join me on Telegram. That's where you can chat me up with ease. Chat me up on Telegram and tell me, team, I'm interested. And we get started from there. So you already know what it takes to get started, right? On description of this video, the first link, click on it to create an Exness account and then chat me up on Telegram and let me know that you have created your account and you are ready to start. And I will take you from there to the next level. For the meantime, traders, make sure you stay safe and keep winning.